In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icon. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Personalization. Now select Icons. Operate this slider to adjust them and check out Preview at the top. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, the size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!